my god, this is so good, so soft. Let me give it a taste. It's actually good. Alright, naughty ride. Go there, ready, go there. No matter what games they play, we got something they could never take away. It's the fire that's burning down everything. It's the fire, only birds have their wings. Alright, naughty ride. Go there, dready, go there. Riding through the song. No matter what games they play, we got something they could never take away. Okay, so we had the dough in the cooler overnight. We took it out for at least 2 hours and just let it sit room temperature. As you can see, the dough is start to raise. So now I'm gonna add some flour to the dough. I'm gonna remove it from the bowl. Remember to add some flour to the surface as well. Alright, so we're gonna knead the dough as well. Bring a healing. Bring a healing. Bring a healing. I and I pray for mercy to the benevolent, the King of Kings. Artful current still a touch and a wink. If a man dead, you feel allow him spirit. In the place healing can persist. Looking for negative, it's the opposite. Looking to tear down is a higher uplift. Serve with a bottle of peacetime gift. Tell them, I Selassie, I ordered it. In the weekend, bring a instant healing. Bring a healing. Bring a healing. Bring a healing. I and I pray for mercies to the benevolent, the King of Kings. Heart full of current, still a touch and a wink. If one dead, them fi allow him spirit. In the place healing can persist. Looking for negative, it's the opposite. Looking to tear down, it's a higher uplift. Serve me a bottle with a peacetime gift. Tell them, I Selassie, I ordered it. Bring a instant healing. Bring a healing. I and I pray for mercies to the benevolent, the King of Kings. Heart full of current, still a touch and a wink. If one dead, Allow him spirit in the place healing can persist. Looking for negative, it's opposite. Looking to tear down, it's a higher uplift. Serve your battle with a peacetime gift. Tell them, I Selassie, I ordered it. Bring a instant healing. Bring a healing. Alright, so now that we have the dough ready, we have some cinnamon and sugar. So we have equal parts cinnamon, equal parts sugar. And we also have some melted butter. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead now and brush the dough with the butter. This is gonna add some more moisture and some more flavor to the final product. It's a roll call for Iman. Iman got to be there. Them wait till trouble and disaster bring people together. They wait until suffering forcefully make us aware. Rast now force none to reason. Them raw meat now go season. Them mad sick now go pleasing. Rasta talk as Rasta hear. Roll call now. Roll call now. Calling our Rast we now go bow now. Roll call now. Heal. Wicked opinion from the sweat of your brow. Roll call now. Trample Jagan and anyway, anyhow. Roll call now. Heal. Roll call. All for one. Man, I say one for all. As a fury and the bitter turbulence come to slow up the Rastaman countenance. I was born to beware, and I go venture them afraid. This are no idle vexation. I see love is my redemption. There is a roll call for Iman, and Iman got to be there. Roll call now. Calling our Rast when I go bow now. Roll call now. Heal. Wicked opinion from the sweat of your brow. Roll call now. Calling our Rast when I go bow now. The dough is a little bit sticky. That's alright. Alright, so I'm gonna let me use that scissors instead. So basically we're gonna cut the Yesterday you walk away with no thoughts of today, thinking you could go alone, not remembering where you're from. I'm just adding some water to the dough, and I'm going to allow this to raise for another hour. Then I pop them in the oven and bake them until they're golden brown. Not remembering where you're from, Now it's too late, now all the doors are closed. You must not know how the love stream goes. I gave you everything I've got. Alright, so it's ready. We're just gonna go ahead and add some vanilla syrup onto this. And for the vanilla syrup, we're just using equal vanilla with some sugar. We'll boil it into a syrup. And we're good to go. As we say, Babylon the fruit, right for the picking. Touch them soft and them busting on my hand. Babylon, Babylon no Rome is really just corruption. Vatican don't instruct, I instruct Vatican. So them carry me water from them even in them eye. Some are not functional of them evil dominion. Jabos the season, this is not my opinion. Me they are in a smooth meditation. 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 Celestial ruler iration.